Unang mikmat ke BGP na pentorom kra ba Hek ba kanto jing kular penbeit put pada ke Jylla Mekhlaya bat Assam hakmat wa Amit Shah menteri kampo yang Sorkar dia ulang ba jing penbeit put kade ban long ha baroh kar artli jaka badan jing katan ulang ba jing penbeit put kam de ban long tang hikat tu kan ni jaka ba Sorkar dem perkat bah penbeit put ha baroh ki jaka.
My concern from beginning is when we want to resolve, we should resolve the entire disputed area. That is my personal concern. So, for the benefit of the residents residing in the border areas and also for the benefits of the states. So that I cannot say for what will happen in future. But my point is, my concern, if you ask my personal concern, I'm telling you, if you have to be resolved, it should be resolved once and for all. Saying from the beginning, before taking any decisions, they should take into the confidence to the people who residing in the border area. The first has to be taken, the main stakeholder. Who are the main stakeholders? Are the residents staying in the border area. Their concern is very, very important. I cannot tell anything what is the understanding between the government of Meghalaya and Assam, but my point is, from the beginning I told you, it has to be take the concern of the people who are residing in that border area. Their concern is very much important.
But state government is saying that they have taken concern of the people.
Since they have taken this
but
good,
people are saying their concern are not taken.
See, I'm not there in the spot and not be able to tell you whether they have taken or not taken. But since the government is saying they have taken the concern of the people, maybe agree, maybe not agree also. That is leave it to the wisdom of individual.